Every great meal starts long before the first bite. It starts with the right gadgets that are in your kitchen. This month, Amazon's kitchen section is hiding some genuinely clever finds. There you can get gadgets that save time, reduce waste, and make cooking feel less like a chore. They're small, affordable solutions to problems every home cook faces daily. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30, Juice Squeezer. With this citrus press, you don't have to worry about seeds or messy pulp. Everything is extracted cleanly every time. Its 5-inch diameter design makes it perfect for all types of citrus fruits, from small lemons to large oranges. Unlike electric juicers, this one saves you time and effort without needing any electricity or batteries. It's built for durability with a sturdy frame and a rubberized base that keeps it stable during use, ensuring long-lasting and reliable performance in your kitchen. Number 29. Pot filler. Are you tired of carrying heavy pots to the sink? This wall-mounted faucet makes things much easier. It's made from strong stainless steel and has 2 swivel joints so you can move it where you need. It extends up to 21 inches and has plenty of water pressure, making cleaning and filling pots quick and easy. The faucet can turn 360 degrees and folds back against the wall when you're not using it, saving space. It installs in just one hole and is built to stay clean and last a long time. Number 28, Bavarian Edge Knife Sharpener. The next one we're going to look at is this knife sharpener I've never seen before, called the Bavarian Edge. It apparently sharpens your knife better than any other sharpener out there, and it even claims you can take a credit card, sharpen it, and actually cut with it. The sharpener is actually super simple to use. You just place your knife in, pull it back, and that's it. It features 2 independent spring-action arms made of tungsten carbide that contour to your knife's edge better than a knife sharpening stone. Number 27, Hamilton Can Opener. How many times have you scratched your fingers on the sharp edges of canned goods? With the Hamilton Beach Automatic Can Opener, you can forget about that hassle. It opens cans smoothly without leaving sharp edges, and the lid can even be reused to cover leftovers. Operation is simple and truly one-handed. Just align the can and press the lever. Plus, its sleek black and chrome design looks great on any kitchen countertop and blends easily with any decor. Be honest, would you like to have this gadget in your kitchen? Number 26, Citrus Sprayer. The citrus sprayer is actually really simple to use. You just twist and stab it into a lemon or lime, and then you can spray fresh juice directly onto your food. First, cut the top of the lemon to create a small opening, then insert the sprayer into the center and twist it in securely. Once it's in place, just press the nozzle to mist fresh citrus juice evenly over salads, seafood, or grilled dishes for quick and easy flavor. Number 25, Air Popcorn Popper. Did you know you can make popcorn without any oil and still get that light, fluffy texture? The Presto PopLite is a hot air popcorn maker that can produce up to 18 cups in about 2.5 minutes. And yes, it really does come out that fast. If you want that classic buttery movie-style taste, you can simply melt butter using the measuring cup on top and pour it in after popping. It's quick, simple, and doesn't make a mess. Just an easy way to enjoy fresh popcorn at home whenever you want. Number 24, Table Grill. Looking for an easy way to upgrade your next get-together? The Techwood electric Raclette grill makes sharing food simple and fun. It has a powerful 1,500 watt heater, a large non-stick cooking surface, and 8 small pans for melting cheese or keeping toppings warm. You get 2 cooking styles in one, a ridged side for grilling things like steak, and a smooth side that's perfect for pancakes or eggs. The adjustable temperature lets you control the heat, depending on what you're cooking, and when the party's over, the non-stick surface makes cleaning up quick. Number 23, Slap Chop. It's perfect for mincing and dicing a wide range of ingredients, helping with both meal prep and final touches. The easy push-down handle lets you chop with very little effort. Just press, and it does the work for you. Each press of the plunger triggers the rotating stainless steel blades, delivering multiple cuts in seconds, which speeds up chopping, mincing, and grinding. It also comes with a large cup container that catches all the chopped ingredients, keeping your countertop clean. Number 22, FinaMill. The FinaMill is like a camera lens for flavor. One click and you switch from pepper to dried garlic in seconds. Ceramic grinders handle any dry spice, from poppy seeds to rosemary, while the adjustable grind lets you season exactly how you like it with built-in lighting for better control. Everything can be operated with one hand for fast, effortless cooking. It runs on 3 batteries and comes with 2 FinaPod Pro Plus capsules, so switching between spices is quick and easy. Just press the mill FinaMill onto a pod to click it in, grind using the top button, then press again to release. Number 21. Kitchen scissors. Cutting up chicken doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. These powerful kitchen shears are built with sharp, durable blades that easily handle meat and even tougher bones. The ergonomic handle gives you a comfortable grip, so every cut feels controlled and effortless. Made for long-lasting use, they're sturdy, rust-resistant, and easy to maintain, helping them stay in great condition for years. Beyond meat prep, they're also useful for opening packages or quickly chopping vegetables, making them a versatile kitchen tool. A quick oiling every couple of weeks keeps them working like new. Number 20. Dreamfarm Smood Masher. This kitchen masher makes everyday cooking a lot easier, especially when you're working with just one hand. You simply press it down and the spring-loaded coil does most of the work for you, helping mash food evenly into a smooth, soft texture in seconds. The part that touches your cookware is made from nylon, so it's safe to use on non-stick pans without scratching them. As you press, the food gets pushed through the spring coils, breaking it down quickly and evenly. Number 19. Egg Scrambler. Simply place the egg inside, secure it tightly, and let the spinning mechanism mix the yolk and white together inside the shell. Once scrambled, just hard boil the egg as usual for a perfectly blended result with no separate yolk. It's fun, easy to use, and surprisingly effective. The egg stays intact during the process, while the internal mixing creates a smooth, evenly scrambled texture after boiling. Number 18. Food Dehydrator. Impressive size and power come together in this food dehydrator. It has 6 stainless steel trays and lots of drying space, so you can dry big batches at once. The 600-watt motor and airflow help dry food evenly, and you can change the temperature from 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also set the timer for up to 48 hours, so it's easy to use. Number 17. Vegetable Steamer. Save time and kitchen space with this versatile stainless steel steamer set. Designed with 2 expandable baskets that fit pots from 6 to 11 inches, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and even eggs. The carefully placed steam holes help preserve nutrients while providing gentle and even cooking every time. Number 16. Butter Churner. This device lets you make butter from cream in a very direct, hands-on way. You pour cream into the glass container, secure the lid, and start turning the handle. Inside, the mechanism agitates the cream until it separates, forming butter while the liquid is released. You keep turning until the texture changes and the butter comes together. What you end up with is fresh butter made at home in a simple mechanical process. No electricity, just steady manual churning. Number 15. Crimpit Toastie Maker. This is a simple way to make hot, crispy sandwiches at home. It shapes your sandwich neatly and seals in your favorite fillings like cheese, ham, vegetables, or anything you like. You just fill it, press it together, and remove the sealed sandwich in seconds. After that, you can toast it in a toaster, air fryer, or dry pan until it's golden and crispy on both sides. Number 14. Beer Chiller Sticks. It cools pre-chilled wine and can even bring red wine back to a smooth cellar-like temperature, so every glass tastes just right. It comes with 2 cooling rods in different sizes, so it fits almost any bottle, from Burgundy to Bordeaux to Champagne. The drip-free pourer and aerator help you serve cleanly while improving the taste as you pour. You also get extra tools included: a vacuum pump to keep opened wine fresh for longer, a foil cutter for easy bottle opening, a stopper for clean sealing, and a storage pouch. It's a complete set that makes serving and enjoying wine simple, neat, and more enjoyable for any occasion. Number 13. Slide Scoop. These measuring spoons come with a built-in tray so you can easily scoop and transfer powders and other loose ingredients. Made from lightweight yet durable plastic, each spoon also features clear measuring marks for 1 and 2 tablespoons, ensuring you always get the right amount with no guesswork. They're great for accurately measuring protein powder, sports supplements, baby formula, coffee, and more. The specially designed shape includes a smooth pouring channel that guides the content straight into a bottle, shaker, or container without spilling. Number 12. Star Wars Toaster. This toaster combines the functionality of a practical kitchen appliance with the atmosphere of a beloved universe. When bread is placed into the slots and the lever is pressed, light effects and sounds are activated, resembling characteristic robotic signals. A browning level regulator is included, along with additional buttons that allow you to select the desired mode or instantly cancel the cycle. Number 11. Kitchen station. When every inch of countertop space matters, you need a solution that saves space and speeds up cooking. This compact station includes containers, a cutting board, a mandolin, and portion cups, acting like a mini kitchen in a box. Slicing, storage, and meal planning for the week, along with dressing preparation, are all right at your fingertips. Plastic plates, peelers, and a bottle opener. Number 10. Electric dough maker. When hand kneading dough starts to feel like a full workout, the Joydeem dough mixer makes things much easier. Its smart microcomputer with touch controls turns flour and water into smooth, well-kneaded dough in just minutes. With a 6.6 quart capacity and 250 watt power, it's great for making dough for pizza, bread, or buns without the effort. The automatic programs handle both kneading and fermentation in about 45 minutes, while keeping noise low for a more comfortable experience. Number 9. Grain dispenser. It has plenty of storage space and 6 separate compartments, so you can easily store cereals, nuts, grains, and other dry foods in one place. Instead of juggling multiple bags or jars, everything stays neatly stored in one place. The rotating mechanism lets you switch between compartments with ease. Just turn it and the selected section moves into position. When aligned, the contents flow out smoothly through a built-in channel, making it quick and convenient to dispense what you need. Number 8. Cutluxe knife. Master meat carving with the Cutluxe Artisan. This 12-inch knife feels like it fits right in your hand. Its sharp Granton blade cuts smoothly through brisket, turkey, or prosciutto with no effort. A full-tang construction paired with an ergonomic Packawood handle provides a secure and comfortable grip even in demanding kitchen conditions. The set also includes a protective sheath for safe storage. Every slice feels precise and refined, just like restaurant-quality carving at home. Number 7. Electric grill, smoke without fire. That's what it feels like when you're grilling steak on the Cusimax smokeless grill and your neighbors have no idea the barbecue has already started. The built-in turbofan quickly draws in smoke, while the dual U-shaped heating element ensures even searing across the entire surface. With adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, your meat cooks up juicy with perfect grill marks every time. A tempered glass lid helps lock in heat and flavor, while the non-stick plates make cooking easy. Number 6. Electric kettle. This 27-ounce kettle is made for anyone who really enjoys coffee or tea. The curved spout gives you full control over the water flow, so you can pour slowly and accurately for a better brew every time. It has a strong stainless steel body with a matte black finish that looks clean and modern on any counter. The cork handle stays cool and gives you a comfortable, non-slip grip while you pour. It also comes with a compact base that includes automatic shutoff for safety and peace of mind. On top of that, it heats water quickly, so you don't have to wait long before making your drink. Number 5. Noodle maker. Pasta in 18 minutes. No kneading, no rolling, and no dramatic mamma mia required. This compact machine handles everything from mixing to kneading and extruding, making up to 3 servings at once. It comes with 3 attachments for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, along with a 40-inch cord and a space-saving design that fits easily into any kitchen. You can even mix in ingredients like spinach, carrots, or beets to create pasta that matches your mood and flavor. Number 4. Presto SaladShooter. Powerful electric slicer with 4 attachments for all tasks. Thick and wavy slices, medium width cuts, and super shredding. This device effortlessly slices fruits, vegetables, cheese, chocolate, nuts, and even cookies into perfectly uniform shapes. A large food chamber and adjustable guide make loading quick and easy, helping you prep ingredients with minimal effort. One more thing, all parts except the base are dishwasher safe here. Number 3. Ice cube tray. Freezing ice has never been so fun. 99 perfectly round ice balls in a single batch. Just pour in water, let the excess drain through the built-in holes, and in 4 to 8 hours, you'll have a ready supply for cocktails, juices, or smoothies. The molds are made from durable, food-grade, BPA-free plastic, making them safe, easy to clean, and simple to stack for space-saving freezer storage. A secure lid helps prevent spills and keeps out unwanted odors. You can even get creative by adding fruit, yogurt, or chocolate for unique flavor-filled ice creations tailored to any taste. Number 2. Cup cleaning brush. If the corners of lids or cups feel more frustrating than the riddle of the Sphinx, this brush is your new cleaning hero. Its nylon bristles easily reach even the most hidden, hard-to-clean corners, while the 3 cleverly designed brush heads handle everything from narrow crevices to tight joints. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, it combines a handle, holder, and squeegee for versatile, all-in-one cleaning power. Number 1. KitchenAid. Imagine a mixer that can handle everything from thick cookie dough to light, airy meringue without any extra effort. The KitchenAid hand mixer gives you 5-speed settings, so you can go from gentle mixing to powerful whipping. It's easy to use with a swivel cord that stays out of the way while you work. The stainless steel beaters mix ingredients smoothly and evenly, helping you get consistent results every time. When you're done, you can remove the attachments with a simple 1-button release, and they're dishwasher safe too, so cleanup is easy. So that's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe to our video. Thank you for watching.